Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-in-1 KitchenAid attachment. Now this can make shaved ice, whether you're making up little snow cones or anything like that, or you can do a single serve ice cream. So this is super versatile. This is the little ice cream containers. You actually get 2 of them. They have a little handle. To use these, you've got to freeze these for about 2 hours, and then you put your cold ingredients in. This has your little churner and your spout down inside here. And this is your main housing unit. So that will actually make the ice cream with these. And you have 2 different ways that you can shave your ice. You've got a thin blade and a more fine blade. You get 8 little individual servings for your snow cones. All you have to do is just fill these up with whatever liquid you're wanting to put in there. So I just did water and I froze it overnight. So I've got my little individual serving here. So you have 8 little cups with lids. And to use this thing, it is super simple. You of course have to have a KitchenAid, and then you just put this in like you would any other attachment and tighten that in. Now you're pretty much ready to go. You do have to lift this part up, wait for it to lock in place. Then you use your cup. I've already done 1 shaved ice there, which is really neat. I had to try this thing out. Open it up. Now after you get your little ice thing out, you got to let it sit for about 10 minutes. You'll get it out and you'll put it down inside here. And then you just line up your locking area with this little ice cream cone. Lock it in place. Get your little cup together. And then we release the little pounder down here, so that will push the ice down. And then this thing does the rest of the work. You just turn it on and it starts grinding up your ice. And this makes beautiful snow cones that you can use for any little party. Now the ice cream is all in a ½ pint. So that is a really nice individual serving that you can use these nice little ice cream containers. You've got your little plunger right there to be able to spin around your ice cream, and a little pouring container. This is a nice little kit that you can use for shaved ice or ice cream.